Wade Larson here. Hey, welcome to the 2025 Institute. This year is going to be just amazing. We added some more things, some more changes to our program this year. Every year we try to learn from previous years and do bigger and better. So let's talk about what some of the changes are this year. In the past, we've always given that experience of come on in, try some new things out, see what manufacturing is all about, right? And it's one thing to talk about manufacturing. It's another thing to come in and experience it. And maybe you know something about it. Maybe you've tried some things out. Maybe you've had some classes on it too. I don't know where you're at, but maybe you just want to come in and try it out and see what it's like. Now, what is manufacturing? It could be just taking some shop classes. It could be understand what's a little bit of welding, a little bit of machining, what's drafting, what is mechanical design, what is engineering, maybe what's management, what are some of the business functions that make the whole operations management work. There are so many opportunities in manufacturing, production, the trades in general. Come on in. This is an opportunity to come try it out. And so within these 3 weeks, we pack a lot into it so you can come in, try it out. We give you a little bit of skills. We give you a lot of experience. You're going to come in and be exposed to what it's like to be part of a company, be part of a team. We're going to have you design the products, manufacture the products, work with your team to sell the products. And so as part of this, what else do we do? We're going to expose you to company leaders, to professionals in the trades. We'll take you out and show you the companies. We're going to have you interact with the customers. As part of this, you'll be designing it. We'll give you real feedback from business people. Here's what it's like. Then you're going to work as a team to problem solve, critically think, figure this stuff out. You're going to be designing this stuff, figuring out how to get this stuff sold. So within these 3 weeks, you're going to be running the business. We're not going to do it. You're going to be doing the business part of this. Now, what's in it for you? Along the way, you get to earn the points. With the points, you're going to exchange these points for a catalog of different rewards, right? It could be tools, it could be school supplies, it could be all the way up to electronics, 3D printers, computers. I mean, the welding stuff. We have all kinds of prizes that are locked in there, but there are also stipends involved. Yeah, well, you can get paid for this. Now, how much? We have a cap on it. We can't go past about $500, but how much you make is up to you. And it's based on how much do you make? Do you meet your quotas? Do you sell this stuff? All that's tied into how you work with your team, how the company does, just like real work, right? You can, how much you make is up to you, but we have real dollars attached in addition to those prizes, in addition to the experience that you have. And you come in, get real life experience working with professionals. There are all kinds of opportunities that exist. So of course we tie it into a lot of swag, you get lots of t-shirts, bags, all kinds of great opportunities here. But 3 weeks, it's in July, from July 7th to 25th, and we have some great stuff. So stay tuned. We have some additional videos that we're providing to you to give you a little bit more information, but sign up now. There are only so many spots that are available, but we'll give you some more details in the other videos. But tap on in, find out more. Let's get you signed up.